Hey, my name is Will Coleman and welcome back to Haven's Kitchen. Today we're making Chimmy Shrimp Scampi. You won't believe how easy it is. With today's recipe, we're only using a few ingredients. We have our pasta, our shrimp, our lemon, butter, salt, and usually you want to add lots of fresh herbs to it. But we're cutting the prep and keeping the flavor by using our chimichurri. If this recipe sounds like something that you like, be sure to subscribe to our channel for this recipe video and future ones. My mouth is watering thinking about this because I love the chimichurri. So let's get started. We're gonna cook our shrimp in a little bit of butter and olive oil and then toss in some of that chimichurri. And then we're gonna throw in a little bit of lemon juice and white wine and of course, our pasta. That's pretty much it, so let's go to the stove. And there you have it. Here's our 5-ingredient Chimmy Shrimp Scampi. It smells really, really good. But before we serve it, I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon zest right on top to add a nice bright flavor. And then I like to also add lemon juice as well. Make sure you don't add any seeds. And here we have it, it's ready to serve. If you've enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more recipe videos. For the full recipe and a textable shopping list, click the link below. Thanks for watching and be sure to cook happy.